If you are new to command prompt window, then I have a link in the description below that shows you the anatomy of command prompt. This video is going to show you all the things that you need to understand the window, the features that helps you to get the overview understanding of command prompt window. So I have the link in the description below. Check it out after watching this video. Now in this current video, we are going to showcase or list the most used commands in command prompt. That is, we want to showcase all the commands that we know in command prompt. Now that I have this cursor blinking in this line of path, I am going to type a simple command, which is the help command. Now after typing this command, when I hit the enter key, this is going to display all the commands we use in command prompt window. So these are the list, and this commands has been listed in two columns. We have the first column that is going to consist of all the commands, and the second column is going to have the description of the individual commands. So you can see that we have the attributes command, and the description says displays or changes file attribute. When we move down, you can see that we have the CLS command, which says clears the screen. So all the commands that we have, or the commands that we normally use in command prompt, when you type the help command, you get this list, and based on this list, you are going to have the individual description for each command in the command prompt window. So as I said earlier, if you are new to command prompt and you want to identify all the commands that are normally used in this particular window, then it is better for you to type the help command. Then you get access to the individual commands and also its associated description. So this is how to showcase or list the most used commands in command prompt window. Thank you and see you in the next video.